Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create daily planner with Notion AI. To create a daily planner with Notion AI, follow these steps. Set up your workspace and you will just tab on it a new page, and from here you will just title it like I will just give them title of daily planner and tap to enter, and after you will just add emoji icon of your choice. I will just tap on it airplane, and after next you will just also add a cover page, which is this. And if I just change it, I will just select it simple one. I like simple. And after next you will just add your dates of your outgoing tasks and notes. You will just add it here in this section. And if you want to help of Notion AI, you will just tap on it like this, which is right bottom corner, and from here you will just ask it and give them command. And if I just give them command like create a daily plan task, so it is example. I will just give them command to create daily plan task. So it will create a like morning routine, work study task, afternoon schedule, evening activities, notes, reminders. So in this way you can just use also while creating your daily plan page. You can also use with AI Notion to help some ideas and AI suggestions. So in this way you can just use to daily plan with Notion AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.